In this specific video, I am going to be talking about an ebook that I created in LeadCreator AI. And this is the ebook that you're seeing on the screen that came out pretty well. I was able to create this 5-chapter ebook in 10 minutes, essentially, that had some very useful information and flows well, reads well. The graphics I was able to insert from Vista Create. That's my favorite graphics creator editor, but you can put in any graphics that you choose, like Canva or whatever you're using. And one of the features I want to highlight with LeadCreator layout for this lead magnet, the ultimate guide to cooking mouthwatering salmon, delicious and healthy recipes, is the graphic. You can put, for example, in this graphic, the first one, I was able to insert my Amazon affiliate link that would take you to that Amazon affiliate link. So if I go to the View tab over here to get a preview of what this looks like, as you can see, the graphic is clickable. You go ahead and click on the graphic. It takes you to my Amazon affiliate link, the Burkell Elegance Red Salmon Knife, 10 inches, to make perfect cuts on your salmon. So that's just an example on how to use that. So this is a preview of the lead magnet. The reader would start reading and they would progress down the page. I have it set to 75% for that pop-up. So they're reading the article and they're like, wow, types of salmon. Oh, wow, that looks delicious. And reading. They're going down the ebook here and perusing it and really getting into it. Wow, chapter 3, let's see. And then sophisticated, yep. Entertaining, yep. Impressing, yep. Oh, chapter 4. Oh, this keeps going. I gotta, wait a minute. Enter your email to keep reading and download the PDF. So the reader, quite eager to get to the end of the article, would enter their email, their name and email address here, and of course agree to the privacy policy. This is the default built-in feature of LeadCreator, and they would opt in. So back in the editor page here, the section where that was achieved with the 75% is step number 4, the trigger. And if you go on mouse scroll over here, you will see I have it set to 75%. You can set it to 50%, which is halfway, or 25%, which is just the beginning of the article. The other feature that LeadCreator has is it's not apparent that the graphics, the only way I know that this graphics is clickable is when I hover my mouse over it and I see the finger and it tells me that it's clickable. But let's say that I could have put click here for more inside the graphic. But let's say, okay, like in this case, it's already done. It's possible to add an obvious clickable item that's very popular on the internet. It's called a button. So if you hit the backslash here, the option is for a button. And here we have the button. Click me. And then you can enter your link inside the button. And let's say I want to use the same link that I used for the graphic. I would go into my graphic and copy that link. Come down here to the button and go into the button section and paste my Amazon link. I prefer to open it in a new tab, and don't forget to update the published version of your lead magnet to get a confirmation that the lead magnet status has updated successfully. Of course, if you don't do that, it won't be saved. You come back and say, oh, what happened to all the changes? Make sure you get your confirmation that it was saved. So if we go ahead and view it again and scroll down, there's a button, fully responsive. If I don't like the size of that, it's actually a medium size right now. I could make it large. That stands out much better. Update. I come back over here. Let's refresh. And the button got bigger. So go ahead and click on the link below. Get your hands on LeadCreator today. And this, I'm sure, would enhance your marketing efforts.